video, we are going to discuss making a group registration. This will allow you to register a certain number of volunteers that are coming with a group to serve at an event or project in your system. Group registrations are used when you don't know or need to know the names of the volunteers that are coming. Instead, you just want to track the number of volunteers coming with the group. You will not be collecting information about individual volunteers. Instead, you are just tracking overall group participation. If you do need to know the individuals who are participating, please refer to our video regarding reservation management for group volunteering, which is linked in the description. To make a group registration, select Group Management located under the Attribute Management heading on the main dashboard. From here, you can access existing groups and create new groups. If you haven't already created the group, please see the group creation video linked in the description. Once the group has been created, click on the Register for an Event button to the left of the group name. Using the Event Name selection box at the top of the screen, select the event or project for which you'd like to make a registration. Enter the number of volunteers that are attending in the Number of Group Participants field, and optionally add a registration note. Then select the Register button. This completes the registration for a normal event, custom event, or service project. For a time slot event, you will need to select the shift or shifts that they are attending. You can also complete group registrations through the event or project itself. To do this, click on Search and Manage Existing Events under the Event and Project Management heading on the main dashboard. Then locate the event or project you are registering them for, and click on the Register Volunteers and Groups button. Next to the Group Name option near the top of the page, start typing the name of the group in the Group Lookup field and click on it when you see it. Then click the Register Volunteer or Group button. Once again, this completes the registration for a normal event, custom event, or a service project. For a time slot event, you will need to select the shift or shifts that they are attending. Note that no confirmation email will be sent automatically when you make a group registration, but you can have the system send one to the group contact. From either menu where you completed the registration, select it by clicking the checkbox next to it. Then select either the Send Manual Confirmation Email or Send Automatic Confirmation Email button at the bottom of the page. They both contain the same information. The difference is that the automatic is sent straight away, whereas the manual version allows you to edit it before you send it. After completing a group registration for an event, that number of spots is filled in that event, and the group will receive the default number of credit hours assigned to that event for the number of volunteers that are registered. If you use the sign-in console to track attendance when volunteers arrive, the group contact can sign in their group and let you know if there are less volunteers in attendance. If this is for a service project where the group will be volunteering regularly, once registered, groups can log their hours using the sign-in console each time they arrive, or the group contact can log their hours from their profile, depending on how the project is configured. This video is one in a series of videos on group management within CERVIS. Follow the link in the description for a playlist of all of the videos.